AC Service Call Part 2.
Okay. Alright, we got nitro flowing. We just got to get this unbrazed, that way we can hurry up and get the new one in. Get this thing off the roof. I can already hear all the old school boys. Oh, back in my day when we had compressor swaps, we used to huck them on our shoulder, go up the ladder with them. Well, I go up the ladder with them too, but I put them in a backpack. Bam! Bet you didn't think of that, guy. Alright, disconnects on, we got power units running, only in second stage though. Second stage compressor's still good. First stage compressor's still pulling down. It's at 750 right now. Alright, vacuum's finished. We hit about 500 microns. We're gonna gas it up. I called Train. Train said second stage 13 pounds 6 ounces, and first stage was 13 pounds on this unit. So we're gonna gas it up to factory spec and then make sure the TXVs are adjusted properly in there. Thermostat's clearly set up for demand-based staging, so both stages came on at the same exact time instead of just first stage. That's definitely a restriction, and restriction being TXV not adjusted properly. The cool thing is we're on 49 degrees superheat, low suction pressure, high head, and that TXV is all the way open. Save that for another day.